Cat 5s. Ran for the camera and possible wireless router or smart TV for the salon. Pretty much went up, over, and across. And you can kind of see it's kind of like a trunk line, but for the most part, it's where the major drops are going. Here, we lock the door. Pretty much this camera is going to run about halfway through, or as far down as we can get it. It was my favorite day. Favorite part of the video, keys. Pre-existing hose running outside for the exterior camera on the left front corner, and the camera I just told you about outside can probably position right there, somewhere around this spot on the outside. And then we got, issue one for the TV here, and that'll be the Cat 5 cables for this room. The goal is to try to get all of the interior cameras done today, because I might need my electrician to help me out with the exterior cameras. So you can see how the exterior cam, I'm gonna run it way cleaner than this. Got the drop hanging on the top of the roof right now. It's going out right there. One camera at a time. Try to get these on and plug into here. And these are the 8 cam spots we're gonna go with. But yeah, but hopefully my desk comes in sometime tomorrow. Put that up. It comes with a little printer stand / whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna have it catty-cornered right there. Everything's gonna be running into it, and to the computer. But we'll see how it all looks once it's all done and cleaned up. But got them packed and ready to go to their individual prospective room and make this happen. Check back in with y'all. So yeah, more progress. Got the lights in on building 3. Looking legit. Out with them old joints. Got all my Cat 5s ran. Got this in the test area. It's gonna be right there. Yeah, so far, so good. Went ahead and moved my other Ring camera since I ain't no point, but it's over here in the corner. You see the light on. Just trying to get my security squared away. Kind of get an idea of what's going on close this one out. Go to the next one. Uh-oh, where the keys? Where the keys? Oh. Hold right down. Hopefully hooked up by Saturday. 43 locked up. Yeah. I see the camera over there peeking, ready for action. But, you know, got all of that squared away. On to the next one so we can get out of here for the night. TV or wireless router to extend the network, whatever. But overall, progress has been made. Had my boy Zay with me today. Owner and operator of Smooth Natural Body Care line. We out of here. First start building coming soon. Getting the security up and running. Let everybody know we ain't playing no games up here. You'll be on 4K. Alright, love y'all. Y'all be blessed. Alright. Since I gotta go out of town, that's pretty much how I'm gonna run it today. Still got this desk to put up. Still got my computer chair to put up. This is enough for me today. I got too much going on. Gotta get to Atlanta. But y'all be blessed on this Friday. More progression coming soon. Probably back Sunday. Or probably Monday to try to finish some of this stuff up. But y'all be safe. We back at the Fresh Start building. Yeah. Alright. Back at it again with another update as we wrap up the end of the day. Mr. Smooth Zay himself knocking out the door. Got the mini office set up, so more coming, but you already see the lights. We got all the cameras mounted. Yes, sir. You see that infrared popping off? We'll continue to keep doing our thing up here at the Fresh Start building, one day at a time. All the cameras up. Looking good. We're gonna have a nice bonfire with these boxes. I'm telling y'all that right now. Bonfire on the way. You see the torch. We're gonna have to stay warm one of these days. With it. Y'all already know it's a key show. Let's try and take that out. I don't even know why I seen that for real. My electrician came and helped me mount them cameras outside. Ain't charged me much either. Man, Tony is a pretty good guy. back and have to touch up a little bit of paint and paint the whole shebang, you feel me? You already know how I'm coming. Another camera up right there. This one is the least I'm impressed with. Got the best angle, best view, but you can't control the sensitivity on it, so it is picking up almost every car that strolls down. You hear boop, boop, boop. But, you know, we still got it out here. And yeah. Progress. I'm gonna clean up all these wires. I don't even like cable. I've been cut the cord, so I'm gonna come in here, cut it, plug the holes in. We got one more camera in the very back, but slowly but surely, we almost there. Cat files on the smart TV if I want to put it up there.